Unlock the secret to earning a little extra cash every single day without lifting a finger. Today, we're diving into how to generate a consistent $10 of passive income, little by little, through accessible online avenues. Think of it as creating tiny revenue streams that work for you 24/7. Our first strategy: content creation. For passive revenue, platforms like Canva or similar design tools allow you to create digital assets such as templates, graphics, or even simple illustrations. You design them once, upload them for sale, and if people like and buy them, you earn a small commission passively. Similarly, consider stock photo or video sites. If you enjoy photography or videography, you can upload your work to platforms like Pexels or Shutterstock. Each time someone downloads your shared content, you receive a small payment. Next up, affiliate marketing. Find products or services you genuinely use and recommend. Sign up for their affiliate programs, which are often free. Then, share your unique affiliate link through social media, a blog, or even a simple online post. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a small percentage of the sale. Focus on niches you're passionate about to make this feel authentic and less like work. The key here is consistency and diversification. Even earning $1 here and there from a few different sources can quickly add up. Don't aim for huge profits overnight. Aim for steady, automated income. By leveraging these methods, you can build a modest but reliable passive income of $10 or more, creating financial flexibility with minimal ongoing effort. Start small, be patient, and watch your passive income grow.